350 gram ribeye steak. Season the steak very, very liberally. You can always put less seasoning in the sauce if you feel that you've got too much salt, but salt helps draw a bit of moisture out and helps make a beautiful crust on the steak. Put it into a hot pan or char grill. Make sure you don't put too much oil or any oil. You don't want it to burn. Generally I wouldn't use a lid, except we're cooking this medium well, so need any help we can get to cook it. Okay, so cooking it for about 15 minutes. Obviously a smaller steak or a thinner steak you'd cook for less. You could see with the juices there that the juices were almost clear, so definitely the steak's over medium. When the steak's almost ready, cut up all the ingredients for the sauce. Notice the size I'm cutting the ingredients. I'm not cutting things too fine. And I cut the mushrooms different thickness. The button mushrooms I cut thicker than the shiitake because they're not quite as dense. Okay, remove the steak from the pan, leave it on a wire rack to rest, and in that pan that I cooked the steak in, I froze some butter and then all the ingredients to be sauteed for the sauce. Make sure that I stir things really, really well, and see how there's crusty stuff on the bottom of the pan? That has so much flavour, so I make sure that I'm lifting off all that sediment in the pan as I stir. You can see that smoking away nicely. Add a little bit of vegetable stock, reduce it down, and then I pour some cream in. I reduce that till it's a coating consistency. So a coating consistency is where it'll coat the back of a wooden spoon, and when you run your finger along the back of the spoon, it takes a while for the liquid to drip down past the mark you made with your finger. There's other videos with the roasted potato cubes and the glacé carrots, so you can check those out. But this is a complete hearty restaurant style dish. Enjoy.